Ever wondered who the real architects of our planet are? Surprisingly, they are not humans, but the smallest life forms on Earth, microorganisms. Embark with us on an extraordinary journey into the world of these unseen architects. Microorganisms, or microbes, are the tiniest life forms on our planet, yet they wield an immense influence over our world. They are so small that millions can fit into the eye of a needle, yet so numerous, their total mass outweighs all the plants and animals combined. These invisible architects are everywhere. They thrive in the heat of volcanic vents in the ocean's deepest abysses and endure the bone-chilling cold of the highest mountain peaks. They inhabit the soil beneath our feet, the air we breathe, and even the bodies of animals and humans. There are three main types of microorganisms: bacteria, archaea, and eukaryotes. Bacteria and archaea are single-celled organisms without a nucleus. Eukaryotes, on the other hand, can be single-celled or multicellular, and they house their genetic material inside a nucleus. This group includes fungi and protists, which are as diverse as they are abundant. Bacteria, the most well-known microorganisms, are a fascinating group. They come in an array of shapes and sizes, from spheres and rods to spirals. Then we have archaea, often found in extreme environments like hot springs or salt lakes. They are champions of survival, pushing the limits of life as we know it. Last but not least, we have eukaryotes. This group includes fungi, which are vital decomposers, and protists, which range from harmful parasites to beneficial algae that produce oxygen and form the base of many food chains. The diversity and abundance of microorganisms are truly astounding. They are the unsung heroes of our planet, driving the cycles of life, death, and renewal. Their invisible labor underpins the health of our ecosystems and in turn our own well-being. Invisible to the naked eye, these microorganisms are the hidden architects of our planet. So, how do these tiny architects shape our world? The answer lies in their incredible roles in the ecosystem. Microorganisms are the unsung heroes of our planet. They are the silent workers, tirelessly toiling away, performing a multitude of tasks that keep the Earth's natural systems flowing smoothly. One of their most essential roles lies in nutrient cycling, the process through which elements like carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus are continually recycled in the environment. Let's take soil, for instance. This humble handful of earth is teeming with microbial life, each microbe working to break down organic matter and turn it into nutrients that plants can absorb. This decomposition process not only feeds our plants but also contributes to soil health, enhancing its structure and fertility. And it doesn't stop at soil. Microbes form symbiotic relationships with all sorts of plants and animals. Take ruminant animals such as cows and sheep. They rely on a community of gut microbes to digest their food. These microbes break down complex carbohydrates and plant matter that the animals can't digest on their own, turning it into energy and nutrients that the animals can use. Similarly, many plants have a symbiotic relationship with fungi known as mycorrhizae. These fungi attach themselves to the roots of plants and help them absorb water and nutrients from the soil. In return, the plants provide the fungi with carbohydrates they produce through photosynthesis. But the reach of these mighty microbes extends even further. They play a pivotal role in the carbon cycle, a process that's crucial in regulating Earth's climate. By decomposing dead plants and animals, microbes release carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. This process, although it contributes to the greenhouse effect, is a natural part of the carbon cycle that has been ongoing for millions of years. So, whether it's breaking down organic matter in the soil, aiding digestion in animals, helping plants absorb nutrients, or contributing to the carbon cycle, microorganisms are truly the unsung heroes of our ecosystems. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, microorganisms play a crucial role in maintaining life on Earth. But it's not just the planet that benefits from these tiny organisms. They are also essential to our own health and well-being. Our bodies are teeming with countless microbes, creating a vibrant ecosystem known as the human microbiome. This complex community of bacteria, viruses, and fungi reside mainly in our gut, but can be found throughout our bodies. These microbes are not just idle passengers, they play a vital role in our digestion. They help break down complex molecules in the food we eat, allowing us to absorb nutrients we wouldn't otherwise be able to. From the fiber in your morning oatmeal to the lactose in your favorite ice cream, these microscopic chefs are tirelessly working to turn your meals into energy. But it doesn't stop at digestion. Our microbiome also plays a crucial role in our immune system. These microbes help train our immune cells, teaching them to distinguish between friendly bacteria and harmful invaders. By doing so, they contribute to our body's defenses and help maintain our health. Even our mental well-being is linked to these hidden helpers. Emerging research suggests a connection between our gut microbiome and our brain, a relationship often referred to as the gut-brain axis. Changes in our gut microbiome may influence our mood, anxiety levels, and even cognitive functions. So, it's not a stretch to say our microbes might be responsible for our gut feelings. Beyond our bodies, microbes are also essential in our daily lives. They play a starring role in the production of many foods we love. Yeast, a type of fungus, helps bread rise and gives it its airy texture. Certain bacteria are responsible for the tangy taste of yogurt and the unique flavors of cheeses. In the field of biotechnology, microbes are unsung heroes. Bacteria have been engineered to produce insulin, a life-saving medication for millions with diabetes. This is just one example of how we harness the power of microbes for health and medicine. Indeed, without microbes, our bodies and our lives would not function the same way. So the next time you enjoy a slice of bread or feel a gut reaction, remember the unseen world of microbes that shape not just our planet, but also us. With our growing understanding of these tiny life forms, we are finding new ways to harness their power for the betterment of our world. Imagine the potential of microbes in sustainable agriculture. Certain bacteria, for instance, can fix nitrogen directly from the atmosphere, providing essential nutrients to crops without the need for synthetic fertilizers. Then there's the role of fungi in bioremediation. Picture a major oil spill, seemingly impossible to clean. Enter the humble fungi, capable of breaking down the oil into harmless substances, aiding in the recovery of the affected ecosystem. Lastly, consider the medical field. Soil bacteria, unassuming yet teeming with potential, could be the key to developing new antibiotics in an age where resistance to existing ones is a growing concern. As we continue to explore the hidden world of microorganisms, we uncover more of their potential to shape a sustainable and healthy future for our planet.